Adobo is the national dish of the Philippines and showcases the country's Mexican, Spanish, and Chinese influences. Adobo has a long shelf life due to its high concentration in acidity, and so historically was a popular dish among traveling seamen. Usually, adobo is made with chicken or pork, but today we'll show you a vegetarian twist on this classic dish. First, let's go over the key ingredients. Whole bay leaves, firm tofu cut into 1-inch cubes, crushed garlic, black peppercorns, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Let's get started. Over the tofu, pour some dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, crushed garlic, black peppercorns, and some whole bay leaves. Give this a stir to coat the tofu. Note that when making traditional chicken or meat adobo, vinegar would be added to the marinade to help tenderize the meat. Allow the tofu to marinate for 30 minutes. Remove and pat dry. Reserve the extra marinade. Add some canola oil to a frying pan. Pan fry the marinated tofu until golden brown. Remove and drain on paper towels. In a saucepan, add some canola oil. Add a diced red onion to the pan and cook until softened. Add some water, the reserved marinade, sugar, and white vinegar. Bring to a boil. Simmer for about 15 minutes until thickened. Remove the bay leaves. Toss the fried tofu with the sauce. And serve immediately. Garnish with sliced scallions. Adobo tofu combines the tangy, savory, and aromatic flavors of traditional adobo with the creamy texture of tofu, offering a delicious and satisfying vegetarian alternative to this beloved Filipino dish.